welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this incredible 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Starting at the front, the first thing that really stands out to me is that big Ironman 4x4 bull bar on the front. This makes it look really tough, and you've got plenty mounted on it as well. We've got those driving lights on the front there, as well as that grande 12,000 pound winch. Now up the top we do have extra driving lights up there, so all LEDs, and does give you plenty of visibility off-road. Just down here, the way this bonnet is designed looks absolutely stunning, and we've got that vent just in the front there as well, just to circulate the air through the engine, although something tells me that might actually be non-functional, so don't quote me on that one. Just here we have got very large headlights, which do give you once again plenty of visibility, and we have got fog lights built into the bull bar down here as well as indicators. Along the side here you can see we've got those bolt-on flares, which do add an extra tough off-roading kind of look to the vehicle, and we have got that TJM Snorkel as well. If you have a look just in here, you can see those turquoise springs in there, iconic to Dobinson's. So a Dobinson's lift kit on this vehicle. For those of you who know your off-roading equipment, you do know that Dobinson's is an incredible brand for your lift kits. Got those steel wheels on here as well with those big all-terrain tires, so this car is very well equipped, as you can already tell. Got those plastic side mirrors and door handles, and just under here we have got rock sliders, so it protects the underbody of the car as well. If we open this up, you can see the good thing about these FJ Cruisers is they are really made to go anywhere. So full vinyl flooring, which makes it really easy to clean. And the other thing I love is how easy these doors are to open up. So the handle in here opens it up, and just in the back here, plenty of space to put your kids in the back as well. Closing that back up, if we have a look at that next wheel there, once again really good condition, still plenty of tread left in those tires as well. We make our way along to the back of the vehicle. As you can see, we've got a matching steel wheel on the back there, along with a tow bar and reverse parking sensors. Now if I open this door up very quickly, I will show you in the back. So just in here we do have those genuine FJ Cruiser floor mats. Once again, more vinyl flooring, and if you are wondering what that's for, that is a solar kit. So if you did want to put solar panels on the top, you have got everything already installed for that. You just need the panels. You have also got two 12-volt sockets just in the back there as well. Close this back up, make our way along this side of the vehicle. I'm not going to bother too much about the wheels because they are all in really good condition, being the steel wheels, but the paintwork along the side of the car is also in absolutely remarkable condition. So what we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You guys, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 6-cylinder 4-litre petrol engine. It is a 5-speed automatic gearbox, and it does produce 200 kilowatts of power. I can't get my words out there. You've also got 380 newton meters of torque, and the average fuel consumption is about 11.4 liters per 100, which gives you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 1,395 kilometers from a full tank. Just before we switch to the inside, I will show you do have a full dual battery setup here as well. So there's your primary battery there and the secondary battery just there as well, which does connect to the solar system in the back as well. You can look inside the FJ Cruiser now. Just on the driver's side door here, you do get your power window settings. So the front driver's side is automatic down, but you do have to hold it to go back up. Just above that again, your central locking and your power, the lock for your power windows. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, there are a few buttons. There is also a mounting point if you did want to get a UHF in this, but you've got your fog lights there. You've got a adjuster for your headlights, so you can actually change the headlight angle. You've got the brightness control for your center cluster, the toggle for your power mirrors, and on the right hand stalk here, your indicators and headlight controls. On the left hand stalk here, all your washer and wiper settings. Then there is the lever here to tilt your steering wheel. The steering wheel itself, really nice design, very comfortable to hold in that leather wrapped kind of look. But on the right hand side here, you've got your hands-free call settings, and on the left hand side, all your media settings. Just down here, as is standard in every Toyota, you do get your cruise control settings on the bottom right here. Having a look in the middle now, we all love gauges, and those 3-pod gauges there do look absolutely incredible. You've got your compass, a little bit of info which you can switch through here, such as your outside temperature and compass, and then you've got your longitude and latitude as well. If we have a look up the top here, we do get your traction control setting and rear diff lock, as well as the speed setting for your off-roading and uphill controls. Having a look in the center display here, if you put it into reverse, the reverse camera pops up in your rear view mirror there, and you can see the rear bumper, which makes it really easy to back up. In terms of your audio, you have got AM and FM radio, you've got your CD input and Bluetooth, as well as USB and AUX input as well. Now you do also get navigation in this, so satellite navigation in this vehicle. Just down here we've got the hard dials for your air conditioning, and just under here a few more buttons. So there is a USB and AUX input there and a 12-volt socket. This switch here is for your LED spotlights and driving lights. And you've got two more rear fog light controls. You've got your traction control setting and parking sensors. Your four-wheel drive selector is just here, so if you put the car into neutral, you can actually switch through your four-wheel drive modes. And you've got a cup holder here, which actually does come out if you did need to put something bigger in there as well. The shifter itself, if you put it into drive and then bring it down two more, you've got the extra control between 2, 3 and 4th gear if you needed the extra control off-road. Got a hard handbrake, another cup holder just here which also comes out, and then these armrests which fold up. You do get a little bit of storage in there as well, so 3 compartments in that center console. We pan around the interior, you've already seen it from the outside, but you can tell that it has been very well looked after by the previous owners. Guys, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful FJ Cruiser. As you can see, there are plenty of accessories which have all been listed in the comments for you as well, so please have a read of that and make sure that this is the right car for you, because I truly do believe that it is. One more thing, you are going to want to ask us about our premium mechanical protection plan, because that will give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. Now, there is plenty more included in that plan, including unlimited claims at $3,600 per claim. So awesome value there, and even though it is an additional cost, it will only adjust your finance repayments by a very small amount. And if you're using our in-house finance, Mari or Julie can explore all those options with you and really make it work for your budget. So once again, the number to call is 99070555. And just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. Google Berwick Mitsubishi, we're sitting on 4.8 stars with over 900 reviews. So have a scroll through them, read what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are dealing with the right people and buying a good quality vehicle. So once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.